So it has a variable valve exhaust system which is controlled by this Bluetooth control, so you press it twice and
it opens up.
Yeah, so basically it's on loud mode now. So there's that, there's also a carbon fibre air induction kit and engine cover. There is also a remap. It's meant to, this model doesn't actually have it, but it's going to have a titanium exhaust system, which is going to be a lot more lighter than the stainless steel one that we have at the moment. So yeah, it's roughly, we don't actually know the figures for it just yet, but there is room for about 10 brake horsepower more, so it's not a considerable amount more, but we've saved 40 kilograms of weight, so
40, okay. That's a lot.
So yeah, including the carbon fibre bonnet, the exhaust system, the wheels are lighter.
Yeah.
Adds up to be quicker 0 to 60 time, but also it adds up to be a lot better handling wise and things like that.
What price is this car for sale?
210,000, which is in euros, it's about 250,000 euros.
Okay. Well, you get a lot for it.
Yeah,
that's for sure. Are there like still any standard things in this car?
So things like the steering wheel and the basic things like that. So the electrics are all Land Rover and things like that.
Yeah.
The things like the door veneers, the seat upholstery, the centre console veneers, the sill plates, carbon seat backs, they're all ours.
Nice. Go again. So how much horsepower does this thing have?
Around 550.
550, okay.
Around that. We're still not positive, like we don't know the actual figures just yet, but standard it is 550, so
yeah,
say that for.
Yeah, I was gonna say because the SVR is about 550 horsepower.
Yeah.
Once again, crackles all over the place.
Need to pull people over.
As usual. They pull over the Honda NSX too.
Did they?
And I'm like, that car barely makes a sound. I think.
No. The Shelby in front, the Clive Sutton one, that's guaranteed. I know for a fact he's had a fine today because I passed him as he was getting issued it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Shit.
So he's been a bit of a naughty boy today.
I think throughout all of Top Marques, honestly, I've been with him and and he like keeps going on the gas, and it's awesome for the video. But yeah, there you go again.
Yeah, you know it's forbidden to the acceleration.
No. Say again, sir.
It's forbidden to the sound of your motor.
Oh, it's on quiet. Oh, right.
And other officer see you.
Right.
You
probably gonna have to jump out.
So basically what you just saw is we entered the F1 tunnel with the Saddam Mustang right in front of us, and when the guy took off in the Mustang, he made quite a lot of noise, and so the cop that was standing on the right immediately talked with his colleagues who were standing on the other side of the F1 tunnel and said like, yeah, you have to pull this guy over. And then we took off as well, and we accelerated a little, like nothing crazy, we didn't speed or anything as you can see in the video, but the cop nonetheless told his colleagues like, yeah, you might as well pull that blue Range Rover over as well. So our driver had to pay a €300 fine for that, and at first he was like trying to get away with it, but the cop was really consistent, like, no, my colleague saw you and he told me that you made a lot of noise, so you're gonna have to pay for that. And eventually he had to call his boss to come over, pick us up and drive us back, whilst he had to go to an ATM and collect the money. Basically, they're just funding Monaco.
Yeah.
€300. Are you kidding me? Not even speeding.